The Labour Party has assured that it will not relent in its efforts to entrench good governance in Nigeria. Chieftains of the party in the Federal Capital Territory gave the pledge at a town hall meeting that held in Abuja. The leaders also commended the FCT minister for the renovation of roads in the territory.
You've seen ministers. What is happening presently in FCT, was it happening in the past? Do you see the amount of construction going on in this short period? That is what I want. I don't care about where that minister comes from. I don't care the political party that minister belongs to. What we want in Abuja is development. And we are looking out for partners in the progress of this great city. And there is a saying, my people say that what people are looking in the pot of soup is the particles of the fish underneath.
The Labour Party denied crisis in the party, saying that the issue of factions have been laid to rest.
There is no crisis in Labour Party. No crisis in Labour Party. A convention was held, and the new leadership has emerged under the able leadership of our chairman, Barrister Julius Abure, and has been recognized by INEC, and even the party leader himself. So I can tell you that we don't have anything like division among us. But if you want me to add something to it, I can tell you that little issues that came up in the past, if there is nothing like that, it means that Labour is not progressing. That means there is nothing to struggle for Labour. Before, nobody struggles to be Labour chairman or anything, but I can tell you that even the chairman of ward now, for you to be it, is a lot of struggle. That shows that Labour is growing and rapidly. So it's a good thing. And that is not uncommon to other political parties in Nigeria.
We don't have any crisis at the national level. Everything is settled. Labour Party is a peaceful party. We carry everybody along. On our mandate, we have stand. Our comrade, Comrade Abure, is still the national chairman of Labour Party. He is our chairman. Every issue has been resolved.
We are gender sensitive. Our own is to ask our women to come out. We will support them. We have a program and a tournament for them in all we do. They are involved. We don't leave them behind.
Don't worry. When the time comes, we will know whether it is hired or not. Let's go for the voting. That is why they are looking for extension. We are looking for election.
The town hall meeting is ahead of the FCT area council election.